If you did not add and claim the Quixel Bridge assets in 2024, you will miss out on these 18,000 high-quality scanned assets. If you did not claim them, when you log into your account and open Bridge, it will show Go to Fab here. I have explained in detail how to use Fab in my previous video. If you have claimed them, the download button and export button will be displayed here. Select the quality you need and the target software you want to import to. We can use Quixel Bridge to import these assets with one click into Unreal Engine, Blender, Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, Maya, Houdini, Unity. If you are an Unreal Engine 5 user, you can also use the Quixel Bridge plugin inside the engine. You just need to log in to your account here. Now you can directly drag the assets into the scene you are working on in the engine, which is very convenient. Moreover, Quixel Bridge has another very powerful function. You can import models or materials into Quixel Mixer for material creation. And you can customize materials, save them in Bridge, and then import them into the engine or other software for use. This is very similar to Substance Designer and Substance Painter. If you are a 3D artist, especially an environment artist, you certainly cannot do without these high-quality assets. This includes a large number of models and materials, approximately 18,000. But what should you do if you have already missed the deadline to add and claim them? I have a good news. I have multiple accounts that claimed these assets in 2024. If you need an account that has claimed the Quixel Megascans assets to use, you can contact me via my email or by adding me on Facebook. Bye.